Yeah, bruh. Yeah, bruh. Hey, all my Floridians, y'all still be saying bruh out there, man? Y'all still be saying that? I ain't been back home in a little bit, but y'all still be, yes, bruh. That was back early 2000s Plies era, man. If you know, you know. But anyways, man, I know y'all probably wondering why this man got these fire Mambacitas in his hand that some of y'all thought I probably got rid of, but nah, I ain't getting rid of these, man. But like I was saying, man, y'all probably wondering why I got these in my hand. Let me go ahead and put these down gently real quick. Yeah, as I was saying, y'all wondering why I'm starting the video off with a pair of Mambacitas in my hand. That is because the sneakers gods have been blessing your boy, man. Yeah, man. They have been blessing your boy, man. Your boy hit the Mambacitas for retail earlier this year, man. And I do have another package right here. I mean, it's not as sweet, but it's sweet, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy that I did get these for retail. Although the resale ain't going too crazy, but I mean, if I had to get this shoe off of like Go or StockX, which I'm kind of dodging right now due to all the speculations going on, y'all already know about it, you know. I would have been paying about $100 or more above retail, and I ain't trying to do that, man. I'm trying to slow down on the resale, man, because if you know, your boy Jay is the king of resale. I be dropping just too much money on resale, man. But yeah, man, I just wanted to hit y'all with that, you know, intro, let y'all know why I got these beauties right here, and just let y'all know that I'm grateful that the sneakers app guides have been blessing your boy, man. So without any further ado, man, let's get into it, bruh. YouTube family. What's poppin' with y'all, man? What's going on? It's your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all today, man. I got an unboxing. So yeah, man, we about to dive right into it, man. Make sure y'all watch this full video. Do not fast forward, man. Drop a like. We got a new scenery, man. You know what I'm saying? We got some LEDs going on in the background, and just a new look. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna probably hit y'all with some reviews from over here on this side of my room, and then we're gonna go back to the sneaker, you know what I'm saying, wall type deal, and you know we gonna switch it up, man. New looks, new environments. Hey, just new is always good, man. So we gonna switch it up every now and again, man. But as always, I thank y'all for rocking out, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and do all that good stuff for your boy. If this is your first time watching, man, we do a lot of dopeness over here, man. So hey, appreciate y'all as always. Roll to 100K, you know, all that good stuff, man. But yes, man, this video is about the unboxing of something your boy got from the sneakers app, man. So let's dive right into it, man. Let's see what your boy got, man. So I did have this shoe now for about a week and a half, going on 2 weeks now. Like I don't know, I just don't be as excited to like jump into the packages no more, but you know, it is what it is, man. But thank you sneakers guys, thank you. One more time, man. R.I.P. Kobe, R.I.P. Gigi, R.I.P. everybody involved in this tragic situation, man. Yeah. Anyways, man, on to the unboxing, y'all. You see what your boy got right here. You know what package and where this came from. Whenever you see a box that looks like this, you know exactly where it came from. However, look at my roof, man. Look at my roof. I gotta live here. If you get into it with them, I gotta live here. Y'all tell me where that's from, man. Everybody gotta know. But anyways, man, look, the bottom of my package, this is the first thing I seen when I picked it up from my front door. I picked up the box and I noticed that you can easily look inside here and see. Look, and this is no cap, bro. Y'all know, you know your boy Jay ain't no cap in my rap. Ain't no need to do all that. But this is exactly how my package came. Just like this. Just like this. It was on my front doorstep, sitting in the corner just like this. When I picked it up, like I said, I noticed the bottom looked like this. Bruh. And I'm like, dang, you know. But good thing this wasn't like Travis Scott Air Maxes, because the box has the branding all over it, so it would say like Cactus Corporation or something. You would easily be able to see that inside this box. But look, if I even move this out like this, y'all, what kind of box does this look like? No cap, this is exactly how my package came. So whoever had it could have easily looked in here, seen what it was, and was like, it ain't nothing too crazy, and just did just like this. Sealed it right back just like that, because that is exactly how it came. Just like that. The bottom was open just like that. But come on, man. Anyways, man, I don't even gotta rip open the top because the bottom is already open, man. Let's see what came and what the sneakers guys has blessed your boy with and prevented me from paying resale for, man. Can we come out? Can we come out? There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bang! Yeah, man. So you see what that is. You know what that is, man, Lo. So your boy did hit on the sneakers app. Got this shoe for retail, as I did say, man. Shout out to the sneakers app, man. They've been coming through. I didn't hit any of the Travis Scotts, but you know, actually I had a pair of the Baruch Brown Air Max ones early, so I wasn't really stressing for those. But you know, hey, I'm glad that I did hit on these. So this shoe is the Air Jordan 2 Retro SP. Color blocking is Gray Fog Siren Red. I think I paid like $240 after tax. Retail was $225. Take a look at the tag. Bam. Hold on, light. No light. There we go. Can y'all see that? Hopefully I can, but size 9, all that good stuff, man. Should I have went up a half a size? I don't know. I need to try these on, man. But anyway, opening up the box, man. You see what we got right here. Top of the lid, you do have, it says Flight, and it does have Union branding right there inside the box, as you can see. So you do got that Union branding, and it does have the logo and Flight and stuff written inside here. And let's go ahead and check them out, man. When we remove the paper, we got, bang, the Air Jordan 2 Gray Fog. I think that's the name of these. Gray Fog Union 2s, man. So let's check them out. Oh yeah. These is the ones. These is it. Yeah, these bitches hard. Bang! Here we have them, bruh. The Air Jordan 2 Unions. Union in the Gray Fog colorway. Yes, your boy hit for retail. I was actually on the verge of paying resale for these, and I was like, man, let me just see if I can hit on the sneakers app, man, because I was like, man, ain't no way I'm gonna hit. You know, my luck is already bad with sneakers app, but I said, let me just try, man. So I went for them on sneakers app, and yeah, they here, man. So your boy does have the Gray Fog Union 2s in the building, as you can see. And yes, man. Glad that I didn't have to pay resale for these. I do have, bang, the Rat Tame pair as well. DS, I still haven't worn this pair, but big shout out to the homie Jake Trent on this pair, because he let me get these for basically retail, man. So I can't complain with the price that I paid for these, but I got them both, man. They were both right here in the collection, man. So Gray Fogs, Rat Tame, Union 2s, both in the collection, man. Y'all let me know, man, which is your pair of choice, man. I know a lot of people sleeping on the 2s. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, man. I'm not like, you know, too crazy. Like, okay, I don't dislike 2s, you know what I'm saying? Like, cause I can rock them. I can rock 2s, so I'm not like, I don't like 2s, you know what I'm saying? So I was never really like, let me not mess with the 2s and all that. I already liked the 2s, but I definitely like the twist that they put on these Air Jordan 2s, man. As you can see in the back half, the perforated holes and stuff that they have. The upper has a canvas material. Some people say they don't like the Union tag on the top, but me personally, I like it, bro. I like it just as is, man. Nice suede all around the shoe. And out of these two shoes, man, I always said that the Rattan was the better pair. However, after getting them both in hand, looking at them both, I am liking the Gray Fog colorway better. The Gray Fog is hitting right now. This gray and this blue is crazy, man. You see how it's hitting off the O's hat, right? You see, right? What y'all think about that fitted? Oh yeah, blue under brim, all that good stuff, man. But yes, man, Union 2s on deck, man. Let me know which pair is the one that you like. Which one of y'all going with? Do y'all have them? Which one did y'all cop? Let me know, man. I'm trying to get my hands on some Amon Manir 2s, man. So if anybody knows what 100% legit pair is, size 9 or 9.5, man, let your boy Jay know, man, because I am on the hunt for those 2s. I still haven't found a pair yet, but I'm on the hunt for them, man. So if y'all know anybody with them, let me know. I'm trying to grab a pair of those for the collection. But Union 2s are in the collection. I ain't even gonna cap to y'all and say I'm throwing them on feet soon. I don't know, man. The best thing for me to tell y'all to do, follow me on Instagram at JayTheSneakerGuy, because that is the first place that you will see me put on shoes. If it's not on feet for it on YouTube, you will see me styling them up and having them on feet on my Instagram, man. So make sure y'all give me a follow at JayTheSneakerGuy on Instagram. And yeah, man, your boy is checking out, man. I threw a couple shoes for sale on JTSG's closet, so make sure you check it out. Make sure you follow that page. It is a private page, so follow that page. You might find some steals and deals. And other than that, man, I'm gone, man. Union 2s on deck, man. And big shout out to the sneakers app again. Like I said, man, hey, happy, bro. Happy with these pickups, man. I'm not tripping. My luck on sneakers app seems to get better and better by the time. So, hey, shout out to them. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all stay blessed. Your boy is checking out with the Union 2s, man. Got them. But I'm gone, man. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.